Transform your water. Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0. Alkaline, antioxidant-rich, and detox magic in every sip. Tired of bland, unhealthy tap water or wasting money on bottled water? Meet the Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0, the ultimate solution for transforming your water into a health powerhouse. This advanced water ionizer produces pH-balanced alkaline water, 4.0 to 11.0, packed with antioxidants, offering benefits like better hydration, detoxification, and energy boosts. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the quest for the perfect water ionizer and see how Aqua-Ionizer Pro stacks up. The hunt for a reliable water ionizer can feel overwhelming. Many promise health benefits but fail to deliver. Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0 changes the game with its 7 platinum-coated titanium plates, producing antioxidant-rich water with an ORP of -800 mV. The 7 water settings cater to drinking, skincare, and plant care, while the built-in carbon filter removes harmful pollutants. But does it perform as well as it promises? Let's explore its real-world capabilities. Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0 is a hydration game-changer. Its advanced electroplate technology ensures durable, energy-efficient performance, while the 7 water settings let you customize pH levels for drinking, skincare, or cleaning. The auto-cleaning feature maintains optimal performance, and the 4,000-liter filter capacity saves you money on replacements. Plus, the easy 10-minute installation makes it a breeze to set up. It's not just an ionizer, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Customers love the Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0 for its ease of use, health benefits, and sleek design. The alkaline water tastes fresh and smooth, while the acidic water works wonders for skincare. Compared to other ionizers, Aqua stands out for its durability, efficiency, and affordability. Whether you're hydrating, detoxing, or boosting energy, this system delivers. It's not just a product, it's a solution for anyone seeking better water and better health. Why settle for ordinary water when you can have extraordinary? The Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 7.0 is your ticket to antioxidant-rich, pH-balanced water that hydrates, detoxifies, and energizes. With its advanced technology, customizable settings, and easy installation, it's a must-have for any home. Don't let unhealthy water hold you back. Grab your Aqua Ionizer today and transform every sip into a health boost.